make deviled eggs with us. First we get our eggs. Then we poke holes in them underscore. Then we put water in the tray thingy so it boils. Then we heat them up. Now we have to wait. I made them candy stars. Still waiting. Hey, Michael, that Mom left this here. Really? Yeah, you want to play with it? Yeah, I'll be right there. Okay, where is it? Here. Well, how does it work? IDK. There, almost don't A. Dog'll break. They're finally done. Gotta chop them up. I made the filling. They're almost don't A. Gotta add a little bit of spice. Michael and Al are gonna try them. They love them. That's all, Bitey.